Hey there. I'm not quite sure what happened, but all of a sudden I just managed to do it. So let me do this. It's hard without a mirror. And obviously, I'm already wearing the Gisua lip oil. I bet you could tell it was exactly this oil. So this is just, oopsie. Okay, I cannot see anything. Did it do something? Let's do a pouty mouth. Also, I have bad eyesight, so okay, this is weird. This is a bit funky. However, this is Victoria Beckham lip definer in shade 2. Now I need a mirror to check out if it's cute. Bye, baby.